How to cross 95th percentile in VRC. Again, this is going to be a video from my experience. We are doing a bunch of videos on how to. So we have done one on quant, one on VRC, one on DLR, and one on overall percentile as well. Do check out the links, should be available in the description. So how to cross 95th percentile in the VRC section. I can tell you I'm not a genius. I've never understood all the rules of grammar, none of that. I understood basic. I read a lot, but I understood basic of, I see a sentence, I can tell, hey, maybe there's something wrong in the sentence. That is the extent of expertise in verbal that I have, right? But I did end up getting 95th percentile multiple times, about 3-4 times so far, I guess, in the verbal section. How did I end up there is only by reading. I read a lot. That is the only takeaway from this entire video. You can pause this video, that's the only takeaway, right? But don't pause this video. The idea is that we have something called as Bharath's reading list. The link will be available in the description. You can Google for Bharath's reading list. You'll be taken to a blog page where there are about 700 hand-picked, curated articles are present. You can go read article after article after article. The articles are sorted by genre as well. So you like crime, start with that. You like psychology, start with that. You like humans and culture, start with that. So go ahead, go berserk, read a lot. Don't worry about RC, don't worry about verbal ability. What do you mean by that? Your sentence rearrangement, picking the odd sentence, none of that right now. Right now you are probably in the first leg of your CAT preparation. Right now it really does not matter. After June you can think about solving actual RC passages, solving questions, all of that, but right now reading is the only thing. I hope this tells it very clearly. Reading is the only thing about CAT prep in terms of VRC if you are looking at a good VRC score. Another thing that I want to mention here is that we are doing something called as reading list rewind. Check out our Instagram handle, follow us on Instagram. If you follow us, we post articles on a daily basis. The next day, the following day, what we do is we also create questions based on the articles and share it with you. So you're not only reading, you're also reinforcing your reading with intention to understand better and all of that. So please check us out on Instagram. Do follow us so that you can see our Instagram stories / statuses, whatever you might want to call, and answer those questions. Right? Cheers, guys. Best wishes.